RJ Simi from 106.3 Radio Olive, and I am at the Safari Mall, Abu Hamar, and I am here to explore Ethnic Indo Western Fest 2022. As you can see, I have already got my collection, what I have picked just for myself from the collection they have. And let me tell you one thing, they have such an amazing collection for kurtis, sarees, churidar, abaya and lot more things. So why shall we go and explore it? Because you just need to spend 150 QR and you'll get 75 QR instantly. So summer has just begun, and I must tell you, blue is the right choice for everyday outfit, and cotton is something which I really prefer during the summer days, and this outfit looks so damn amazing. Be it sarees, kurtis, churidar material, Indo-Western or abaya, you name it, you have it. And just look at these collections. They look so beautiful. They have the wide collection of abaya and great fabrics, great design, great colors. All you need to do is just spend 150 Qatari Riyal and you'll get a 75 Qatari Riyal voucher instantly. I love synthetic sarees. Sari is something which I believe are so comfortable. You just need to fall in love with it. And I am someone who loves to wear sari, be it corporate events, regular office day, casual meetup, lunch or brunch, or any random parties, festival and marriages. I just love sarees, and you'll get to explore so many collections, be it cotton silk, Banaras, Kanjipuram silk, raw silk, anything. You just name it, you'll have it. And just look at the collection. The one I'm wearing is a chiffon saree, and this is the yellow one. I just love, and you can see the artwork over here. So if you're someone who is looking to revamp your wardrobe, then the Ethnic Indo Western Fest 2022 is the right choice for you. You just need to visit any safari outlet and spend just 150 Qatari Riyal and you'll get 75 Qatari Riyal voucher instantly. So the promotion is valid up to 26th of March and you can redeem the voucher till the 2nd of April on ready-made, textile, garment and footwear. This is me, Simi, signing off from 106.3 Radio Olive. Jio Bindas.